I am Dr. Max. I'm here with Daniel, who traveled from Trinidad to have his procedure here to have Dr. Max Restoration Center. And I wanted to show what's the recovery. He just relatively recently had his procedure, to be precise, 2 weeks ago. But what is remarkable about his recovery, the way he looks right now, you bring your chin down, Daniel, like this. So we did 2,500 grafts to the frontal area. So this is the first stage of the procedure. We treated the anterior hair loss here and recreated the entire hairline and went all the way back to half his mid-scalp. So what is really remarkable here, Daniel decided to take advantage of HBOT or hyperbaric oxygen therapy here, and he had pretty much everyday treatment since your procedure.
Yeah, 5 days a week.
And the way he looks right now, actually, he started to look on day 8 or 9. So the recovery was absolutely incredible, much faster from what you expect. And so could you tell me a little bit more, what made you decide to come here? And how was your procedure? How was your recovery?
I started looking into what my options were many years ago, back in the day when they were only doing FUT.
Yes.
And my main fear about doing this type of thing was scarring, failure, all the normal things everyone worries about, recovery time. I did another round of research recently, and I was lucky to find Dr. Max, and he was very impressive. And when I met him and met his team, they were even more impressive because he's using science, which is in my business, that's what I do. He's using technology to push his art further. So he's able to specifically tell you where you are and what might be able to be done, and exactly what the data says is true. Every single person you interact with is very caring and very knowledgeable. And it's just incredible what they've done for me. In 3 weeks, I go back home, I feel normal, I look normal. You hear different things when you go different places, but what we discuss here is exactly what happened. In fact, a little better than what we discussed, because he's very honest and straightforward with you.
I think you observed every single graft being implanted in real time on this big screen TV, right?
Just like from the beginning, when you took the photos and you put it into your software, and the software gives you the count of where you're at in different areas and what's possible. And that translates into this room. While he's doing it, he's using the same data to do what it says could be done, and it's all spot on. I used to say it in motorsport, data doesn't lie and data doesn't have any friends. It just tells you what it is. And it was exactly true.
We're probably the only place in the world you can actually be in the OR as a patient and watch every single hair being implanted in real time, because it's being projected on big screen TV.
Yeah,
So we are fully transparent. So when we say you got 2,554 grafts, for example, it is going to be at least this number or more, and we are completely transparent. Nothing is hidden here. Patient can see everything what I'm doing in real time.
If there's any error, he just says reload, and they reload it and he fixes it. Every single one is important to him, and like it's important to his clients. If you have any reservations, you might just be wasting time. You need to call Dr. Max.